Okay, language explorers. So let's look at today's noun, Monday noun. So I. Move that a little bit. Yeah. So the part of the body you use to see. See. I need to inspect your eye. I need to inspect, look closer, analyze more, understand. So inspect. To learn more about. Inspect. I need to inspect your eye. Look into my eyes. Look into my eyes. My eyes. 1, 2. Not I. Eyes. Look into my eyes. Yes. So, singular, eye. 1 eye. Plural, eyes. ES. Just add the S. S. I. And then eyes. Let's change that actually. Hold on. I. Eyes. Singular. Oh. Oof. Two plus. Here we are. Perfect. Eyes. So, if we then say, she liked my eye. So she liked my eye. Makes sense. She liked my eye. He looked at her eye. Or he looked at her eyes even. She looked at his eyes. Yeah, looked, past tense. This is my eye. This is my eye. This is my eye. Yeah. What colour is my eye? What colours are my eyes? My eyes are blue. Yes. My eyes are blue. My eye. Yeah. How cool is that? He looked into my eyes. Okay. She looked into her eyes. So she looked into her eyes. I will clean my eyes. Clean my eyes, maybe. Yeah. Or I will rest my eyes. You need to rest your eyes. Yeah, you've been at the screen working all day, so rest the eyes. Rest. Rest the eyes. Possible. Yeah. Very good. Yeah, so the eyes, the part of the body we use to see. See. I will see her. I will see her. I saw her. I will see her in the future. I saw her yesterday with my eyes. I will see her with my eyes. I saw her yesterday with my eyes. Makes sense. How cool is that? Yeah, very good. Very good. Yeah, so that's eyes. So language explorers then. Can you write a sentence with I in it? Put it in the comments below. I. And subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. Yeah. And you can find me on Facebook, YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. Just search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy as well. There we are, Udemy. Very good, yeah. Udemy. Just search Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.